In this video, we'll quickly show you how to fold and unfold the LYRÖ neckband. Before folding, please check the direction of the hinges on both sides. Do not twist it randomly or force it. Gently fold the side arms along the vertical direction of the hinge. Once both sides are folded, fold the larger center hinge following its structure. After folding, the neckband becomes very compact. It can easily fit into a coat pocket or pants pocket, making it much easier to carry. To unfold it, simply reverse the process. First open the larger center hinge, then open the smaller hinges on the left and right sides. The neckband will return to its normal wearing shape. This neckband is made with high-quality PC material, which offers good strength and toughness. With normal use and proper folding, it is very durable. However, if it is bent in the wrong direction or overbent, it may break in extreme cases. So please follow the hinge direction and avoid using excessive force. The white and black versions are the same in structure, material, and performance. The only difference is the color. We're sorry that this folding method needs a dedicated video explanation, and we hope this video helps you use the LYRÖ neckband correctly.